So the profile of students that critical thinking is important for is really a very interesting question, because really what we're talking about here is not so much a skill as a mindset that we want to develop into a lifelong habit. And in fact, critical thinking is a necessary mindset, habit, skill for everyone of all ages. Okay, perhaps not little children, but certainly from teenagers through to adults. This is an extremely important skill. So the short answer is it's very valid for everyone. Ensuring a culture and atmosphere of positive collaboration in the online classroom is really extremely important. I mean, it's always important in the face-to-face classroom and in the online classroom. But really, what we need to do is we need to set and manage expectations from the get-go, from the beginning, and then we need to follow that up with really robust procedures and checking, and teachers who are trained, who are alert, and who really have the best interests and the well-being of the students at the heart of everything that they do. And wherever possible, we try to get as many aspects of the positive culture emerging from the students themselves, rather than having a very top-down approach. And this is just as applicable in the online classroom as it is in the face-to-face classroom.